Hey there. So, you wanna install this cool thing for your games, right? Yeah, definitely. But how do I do it? No worries, it's easy. First, let's delete the old game app. Got it, done. Now, we need to grab the Scarlet app, but watch out for those tricky ads. Okay, I'll be careful. What's next? Open your iPhone settings and find Trust Scarlet. Tap on it once you see it. Okay, found it. What's next? Now, we're gonna download two files, one called IP and the other called Script-Ware. Gotcha, downloading them now. Great! Now, open the Scarlet app and tap download twice. Done. What do I do next? Find the Script-Ware file and tap it. Then find the IP file and tap that too. Okay, all set. Now what? Now, we wait for the loading bar to finish, it'll take a little bit. Got it. And then? When it's done, you'll see a new game app on your home screen. Awesome. Thanks a lot for your help, Harry. No problem at all. Enjoy your gaming with the cool new features. If you need anything else, just let me know. Will do. Thanks again.